step into the Jeep 2020 Wrangler Unlimited Sport. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: engine 3.6L V6 24V VVT UPG1 with ESS, STD, Stingray clear coat, black 3-piece hard top included, Freedom panel storage bag, rear window defroster, rear window wiper washer, no soft top, Sirius satellite radio, heritage tan black cloth low back bucket seats, Mopper all-weather floor mats, smokers group included, cigar lighter removable ashtray, Mopper solid bikini top and Mopper stainless door swivel guards. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.